Need to change the date format on your bank checks? You can easily customize this by updating your check layout settings in ChequeSystem. In this example, the date on this check is in the day, month, year format. Let's say we want to change it to year, month, day. To get started, go to the top menu, click Management, and select Cheque Layout List. Find the layout for your bank check and double-click to edit it. Quick tip: make sure you're editing the exact layout your checkbook is currently using. You can double-check this under Menu Management and Checkbook Management. Inside the Layout Editing window, look for the Date Format options. You can choose whichever format best fits your checks. Here's a brief explanation. MM shows a 2-digit month. MON shows a 3-letter abbreviation, while month spells out the full month name. Now, let's select the year-month day option. Once you've selected your preferred format, click the Save button to apply the changes. And you're all set. If we open the check again, you can see the date format is now updated, and any checks in this checkbook will use this new format. And that's how simple it is to change the date format on your checks in ChequeSystem. Thanks for watching.